Our team is working hard to keep the content up to date. If you find this video helpful, please let us know in the comment. We really appreciate if you like and subscribe to our channel. If you are looking for any particular certification which is currently not available on our channel, please mention that in the comment. Our team will prioritize those. Thank you. Next question is 16. A company is running an application on a fleet of Amazon EC2 instances behind an application load balancer, ALB. The EC2 instances are launched by an auto-scaling group and are automatically registered in a target group. A SysOps administrator must set up a notification to alert application owners when targets fail health checks. What should the SysOps administrator do to meet these requirements? A. Create an Amazon CloudWatch alarm on the unhealthy host count metric. Configure an action to send an Amazon Simple Notification Service, Amazon SNS, notification when the matrix is greater than 0. B. Configure an Amazon EC2 auto-scaling custom lifecycle action to send an Amazon Simple Notification Service, Amazon SNS, notification when an instance is in the pending wait state. C. Update the auto-scaling group. Configure an activity notification to send an Amazon Simple Notification Service, Amazon SNS, notification for the unhealthy event type. D. Update the ALB health check to send an Amazon Simple Notification Service, Amazon SNS, notification when an instance is unhealthy. Correct answer is A. Next question is 17. A company wants to build a solution for its business-critical Amazon RDS for MySQL database. The database requires high availability across different geographic locations. A SysOps administrator must build a solution to handle a disaster recovery (DR) scenario with the lowest recovery time objective (RTO) and recovery point objective (RPO). Which solution meets these requirements? A. Create automated snapshots of the database on a schedule. Copy the snapshots to the DR region. B. Create a cross-region RAID replica for the database. C. Create a multi-AZ RAID replica for the database. D. Schedule AWS Lambda functions to create snapshots of source database and to copy the snapshots to a DR region. Correct answer is B. Next question is 18. A SysOps administrator is using Amazon EC2 instances to host an application. The SysOps administrator needs to grant permissions for the application to access an Amazon DynamoDB. Which solution will meet this requirement? A. Create access keys to access the DynamoDB table. Assign the access keys to the EC2 instance profile. B. Create an EC2 key pair to access the DynamoDB table. Assign the key pair to the EC2 instance profile. C. Create an IAM user to access the DynamoDB table. Assign IAM user to the EC2 instance profile. D. Create an IAM role to access the DynamoDB. Assign the IAM role to the EC2 instance profile. Correct answer is D. Next question is 19. A company has a web application with a database tier that consists of an Amazon EC2 instance that runs MySQL. A SysOps administrator needs to minimize potential data loss and the time that is required to recover in the event of a database failure. What is the most operationally efficient solution that meets these requirements? A. Create an Amazon CloudWatch alarm for the status failed _system metric to invoke in AWS. Lambda function that stops and starts the EC2 instance. B. Create an Amazon RDS for MySQL multi-ASD instance. Use a MySQL native backup that is stored in Amazon's 3 Toratha Datadothanu database. Update the connection stringent Thuabe application. B. Create an Amazon RDS for MySQL single AZDB instance with a read replica. Use a MySQL native backup that is stored in Amazon S3 Toratha Datadothanu database. Update the connection string in the web application. B. Use Amazon Data Lifecycle Manager, Amazon DLM, to take a snapshot of the Amazon Elastic Block Store, Amazon EBS, volume every hour. In the event of an EC2 instance failure, restore the EBS volume from a snapshot. Correct answer is D. Next question is 20. A company migrated an I/O intensive application to an Amazon EC2 general purpose instance. The EC2 instance has a single general purpose SSD Amazon Elastic Block Store, Amazon EBS, volume attached. Application users report that certain actions that require intensive reading and writing to the disk are taking much longer than normal or are failing completely. After reviewing the performance metrics of the EBS volume, a SysOps administrator notices that the volume queue length metric is consistently high during the same times in which the users are reporting issues. The SysOps administrator needs to resolve this problem to restore full performance to the application. Which action will meet these requirements? A. Modify the instance type to be storage optimized. B. Modify the volume properties by deselecting Auto-Enable Volume 10. C. Modify the volume properties to increase the IOPS. D. Modify the instance to enable enhanced networking. Correct answer is C.